I don't know where to go. Okay. Deep voice. No.
Now we're depressed. Oh no. I lost my tail again. Distressed. The ducky. Woof woof. It's emotional. You know. Oh. Excited! Female to male. Here, you can help me with that one. No, I'm just kidding. I have to be the female. No, you're supposed to be the male. I'm the female.
No.
I want to be the male. Okay, well then, what kid? Oh, you didn't drink a beer. No, I'm just kidding. Male to female. Oh, munchkin. Munchkin. To welcome you to welcome you to Munchkin.
Now we're on nasal.
Oh no, my nose is all
Can't spell anything. Where's my cane? I need my walker there.
Robot. Mr. Roboto. Mr. Roboto. Strange accent. We're from Tennessee, y'all.
in German.
German.
German. I wonder if this one's Irish.
Look at me little leprechaun.
Where's me pot of gold?
At the end of the rainbow.
Where's the freaking rainbow?
Ben's hiding under it.
Go, pussycat. Strange accent number 5.
Wonder what that is.
Oink. Oh man, you're so funny. What's this? Effects. How do you use it? I don't know. I was gonna put that weird hat thing in it. Doodling? Doodly, 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 doo. Look at your face. Doodly, 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 doo. She's smiling.
You have a mustachio.
No, mustachio would be like this.
Mustachio.
Pistachio!
Look at this peep on my mustache. Mustache.
It's like weird. Okay, let's change the sound effects again.
Okay, I'm done.